out a Guardian.
What is this game, dude? Spike Rush is so dumb. We're gonna rocket this shit, dude. We think that they're gonna peek it here? Oh, wait, I should have gone mid. Okay, wait, it's too late.
Satchel up. Get out of my way. Go get him.
Oh no!
Picked him apart.
I'm just happy because I massacred that Jett when she had ulti.
Bomb buddy out. Satchel up. Satchel out.
One enemy remaining.
AFK, I want the ace, dude. I want the ace.
Don't right click, left click him in the back. I want to teach everybody.
Can you right click with a shorty? How many kills did you get you with utility? Like all of them?
Here comes the party.
This character's so dumb.
Get out of here. Satchel out.
One enemy remaining.
Satchel out.
Let's go, dude.
Win.
Wait, you aren't playing Omen? The heck? I was playing, whenever I play Spike Rush, I play Raze. I don't like Omen in Spike Rush. I don't think that he's, like, as good for the game mode, right? When you get, like, a free ultimate charge as Raze, I got a free freaking rocket. I could just launch it anyway. When I get it as Omen, I was like, okay, I can teleport. Like, cool. So it just doesn't feel as rewarding, right?
Oh, thank you. Yo, y'all down for a knife fight? See if the other team wants a knife fight?
Dude, I never trust people on that, I'm gonna be honest.
Enemy spotted.
Quit shooting! Quit shooting! Yes!
Raze lit 75. You guys are
Last
losers.
player standing. One enemy.
Dude, I got fucking.
They're all mid.
Kill the solo.
Last player standing.
Not all of them. Not all of them, King.
Here comes the party.
Just get the ace.
Oh, God.
Sage, I need a heal, Poppy.
What's this?
Where you at, Sage? Sage, come to me in. Come back. Come back, Sage.
1 second. I want a nice skip.
Oh, no.
Satchel out.
One enemy remaining.
Let's go. With
You don't really call out. Communication is like one of the biggest parts of this game. I played for a while on mute in Valorant, and like I still stand by it wasn't a terrible decision in like lower ranks because people in lower ranks don't know anything. But like you need to be the in-game leader. You do. If you want to climb in any of these games, you need to be the leader.
Satchel out.
Oh no, I forgot. So you can actually get on top of this, by the way, if you satchel from here and you jump like that. It's difficult to do, but like I think the higher you are, the higher of a boost it gives you actually.
Match point.
Hello? Okay.
Bigger they are.
Dude, I got scared there for a minute.
Win.
I hit her so many times, dude. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There we go.
Satchel out.
There we go.
Three for me.
Stop.
One enemy remaining.
Stop.
Last player standing.
No! Freaking golden gun, dude. I get nuked if I post a link. That gun's like kind of hard, dude. You gotta land your first shot every time. I guess that's every gun though, right?
Satchel out. Satchel out.
Oh, I grabbed an op. When did this happen? Oh no.
One enemy remaining.
Oh my god, the whiff.
Get him, Gary.
Go get him.
What?
Last player standing.
What is going on, dude?
Switching.
Bomb buddy out.
I saw them all. I was like, ah!
Right now, this is so nice.
Isn't Spike Rush great, dude? No stress, like just running around, shooting things. Like, we're about to get collateral. Do you ready?
Enemy spotted.
Uh-oh. 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 No!
Side already. Oh my god, I'm so
One
bad.
enemy remaining. 30 seconds left.
I had him for 48.
Out of charges.
Off your feet!
Ten seconds left.
Satchel out.
Last
How's that not kill him?
My ult's ready.
Nice, nice, nice.
Nice.
You're insane, Waffles.
defenders.
Thanks.
I've seen you win these. I remember 110. That satchel I threw on made up for like 80. We just didn't hit him at all. What about the rocket I fired at him? Like, what in the world? This game, dude.